In this video, I will show you how to fix League of Legends stuck on the tutorial patching screen. If League of Legends looks like it is stuck on the tutorial patching screen, this usually means the game is downloading a patch in the background. It is not frozen, and it is not an error. To check this, open Task Manager on your computer. You can do this by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard. Once Task Manager is open, go to the Processes tab. Look for League of Legends or Riot Client in the list. Now check the network column. If you see that it is using most of your internet speed, this means the patch is downloading normally. The patch size can be large, especially during first installs or major updates. The screen may not show clear progress, but the download is still happening in the background. You just need to wait until the download finishes. The time it takes depends fully on how fast your internet connection is. Slower internet will take longer. Do not close the game while it is downloading. Once the patch is fully downloaded, the tutorial will continue automatically. Thanks for watching.